Mercedes has unveiled its new electric van as they expand their lineup of electric vehicles. We had the EQS in studio, and we had a time with it. I'll tell you what. I mean, that's one of my favorite videos we've done in a while.
Yeah, it was fun.
And it's one of my favorite intros we've done in a while. Because this moment in the video where all the lights are on and stuff, it happened after the fact.
Yeah.
Like, we realized I had played with the lights on in the studio. And I was like, okay, yeah, it's cool with light beams. And then all of a sudden Mo hit the lights off. And then I played with the lights off. And I was like, oh my God.
Yeah. It's a light show.
Cyberpunk. Unbelievable. In the seats. And
you can't appreciate the lights during the day. It's so much more crazy with the lights on.
And also being there, not even seeing it in a video.
Yeah,
when you're in the car, you're like, whoa, it's Las Vegas in here right now. It's really cool. So anyway, we put this video, and it was cool to see the concept vehicle, EQS concept video, concept car in real life in our video. Even a seatbelt buckle over there. Anyway, Mercedes, they're not done with it, man. They got plans to go heavy on electric. And this is the electric iteration of the Mercedes T-Class, dubbed the EQT. And it will come alongside a commercial van as well, which I know Mo's going to do the van conversion. And then he could have electric, and he can charge it with solar. And I don't even know what he has planned because he likes to get out there. Or he at least likes to pretend that one day he'll do it.
Exactly, yeah.
Which is
Just preparing myself for that one day.
It's partway there, I don't know. Maybe on the weekend. Anyway, Mercedes is planning 8 fully electric vehicles on 3 continents in the next year. The EQT will compete with vehicles such as the Volkswagen AG, which is kind of like the microbus electric. I don't know if you've seen that. That's the VW version. Maybe you picked that one up. This looks a little more luxurious. If it's anything like the EQS, it's going to have double sliding doors with access to the third row seating. And it also is going to have an electric longboard stored in a specialty compartment with a plexiglass lid.
Like a skateboard longboard?
Yeah, like a skateboard longboard. And they did a launch video with Tony Hawk riding it around.
Oh, of course.
So I think minivans are on the way back.
This one especially looks really good. I wonder what the range is, though.
What do you mean? You can fit in even... The EQS was already showing some amazing numbers.
Right, yeah.
Over 700 kilometers.
Yep.
Right? 750 kilometers. We got official numbers, unofficial numbers, but don't you remember the drag coefficient talk?
Yeah.
I'm sure they did the same thing with the van. I bet you, or even bigger. It could go even bigger batteries in there.
Right, yeah, but also larger cargo. Like, you're going to have a lot more weight in there.
Yeah. You gotta account for all that. That's part of the gig.
Is that the interior?
Where?
Or was that just a random?
I don't know if they've shown the full interior of it. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Click on that. Click on motor1.com and see if we can get some interior photos real quick.
Oh, they went with the same thing with the grill. Oh, they use different logos?
Well, it's still part of the EQ lineup.
Yeah.
So you can see the similar styling to the EQS. It's a van version of the EQS. The wheels are maybe more futuristic, but it is important to note as well that this is concept vehicle. EQS.
They have the gear shift in this one.
Well, very chromy.
The EQS that we looked at is a finished product.
Yeah, yeah.
So this could change a little bit. Although the EQS was close to its concept as well. Let's see what happens with the seats. What kind of fancy business with the seats? No, I want to see the backs of the seats right there. Oh, there's folding and strapping.
Whoa. That's longboard.
I mean, this is going to be an option, but so futuristic. And the seats, they flip and they flap, and I'm always a fan of that. Reconfigure the interior. So, exciting times. More electric options on their way. Vehicles are getting futuristic. It's happening. No?
What's that on the roof?
That's glass, isn't it? Or is it solar?
Is it a solar?
It might be solar. No, it's glass, I think.
Nice.
Hey, man.
Still cool, though.
Hey, man. get the solar option. Or
Yeah.
you're going to rig your own stuff anyways.
Yeah,
You're going to
that's a
buy the
good point,
cargo
yeah.
version, and you got your whole life ahead of you, Mo.
Put a bed in there.
You're only 17 years old. You got your whole life ahead of you.